We will discuss the details of glial cells in the peripheral nervous system. Number 1. Schwann cells. Structure. They are elongated cells that wrap around axons in the peripheral nervous system. Functions. They perform following functions. Myelination. They form the myelin sheath around a single axon in the peripheral nervous system. Regeneration. They aid in axon repair and regeneration after injury. Support for non-myelinated axons. They surround groups of smaller axons without myelination. Clinical relevance. Schwannomas are benign tumors arising from Schwann cells. Number 2. Satellite cells. Structure. They are small, flattened cells surrounding the neuronal cell bodies and ganglia. Functions. They perform following functions. Support and protection. They provide structural and metabolic support to neurons in the peripheral nervous system. Nutrient exchange. They regulate the exchange of nutrients and waste products. Ion regulation. They maintain ionic balance in the extracellular environment. Clinical relevance. Dysfunctions in satellite cells may contribute to neuropathic pain,